Okay, so for the first topic, this is the arithmetic sequence. So these are the terms that we will be commonly using. So common difference, it is usually referred to as d as a variable. So it's the number being added to get to the next term of the sequence. It's also used to identify as the term-to-term rule. Okay, and then the next is a first term, or we usually use a sub 1. It is the first item or the first number of a given sequence. The nth term is a formula to find any term of a given sequence. So we have here an example. So 4, 7, 10, 13, and 16. So the first thing to do is to solve for the common difference, or for D, because that without a common difference, we cannot say that this is an arithmetic sequence. So for the 4, 7, 10, 13, and 16, we will try to get the common difference by subtracting two consecutive terms. So let's try 16 minus 13, that's 3. 13 minus 10, that's 3. 10 minus 7, that's also 3. And 7 minus 4 is also 3. So since the difference is the same for all pairs of this sequence, then we can say that the common difference is equal to 3. Or the term-to-term rule will be to add 3. Okay? So since we are adding 3 to get to the next term. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 plus 3 is 16. Now, to solve for the nth term, we will use this formula, d times n, where n is the nth term itself, and plus a sub 1 minus the common difference. Okay, so 3 as our common difference, which is here, 3. 3 times n plus a sub 1 is the first term, that's the first term, 4, and then minus d again, the common difference, that's 3. So 3n, that's 3 times n, plus 4 minus 3, that will be 1. So 3n plus 1 will be our formula for the nth term. We can use this formula to find any term of this sequence. Okay, so where n is the position of the term. Okay, to check, so from the sequence, the fourth term is 13 here. Okay, so by using the nth term where n is equal to 4, so 3 times 4 plus 1 is 12 plus 1, which is the same as 13. So therefore, the formula or the nth term that we got is correct for this given sequence. Okay, example number 2, we have here another sequence, 1, 5, 9, 13, and 17. Again, the first step is to find the common difference between the pairs of terms in this sequence. So 17 minus 13 is 4, 13 minus 9 is also 4, 9 minus 5 is also 4, 5 minus 1 is also 4. So the common difference is 4. To solve for also the term-to-term rule, which is to add 4. So for the nth term, we use the formula dn plus a sub 1 times d, wherein d is 4. So 4n plus a sub 1 is 1, so 1 minus 4. Okay, so 4n plus 1 minus 4 is negative 3, so 4n plus negative 3, or 4n minus 3. And this is our nth term formula.